Hello and welcome. So my name's Alan and I'm the one that does the videos. Today I announced a video which dealt with the deportation of Jews from Berlin during the Second World War. This was a video I filmed at Grunewald railway station in Berlin in June, and which was uploaded in July. Now there was a premiere this evening, and sometime during the premiere YouTube demonetized the video. Now I do appreciate that the themes which I deal with, which is to a large extent on the Third Reich, is a sort of material that could easily be demonetized, and that is why I upload several months in advance. So this video was uploaded in July, and that gives YouTube a chance to say it doesn't like it. It says this automatically for just about all of my videos. And then what happens is I make an appeal against it, and then what happens is that it says yes, it's okay. It's not actually showing anything which might be considered bad. Now if we take television channels like Discovery or History Channel or something like that, they're showing the same sort of things. Maybe they're not going into the same depth of content, shall we say, as I do, but at the end of the material is somewhat similar to what I do. However, now I've got an absolute no tolerance policy as far as YouTube is concerned. In the summer of 2021, I was completely demonetized, and the reason for this was that they said there was too many videos on my channel which weren't my original content. Now I challenge anybody to find those videos which aren't my original content. There are in fact two on there which aren't my original content, and YouTube was unable to say why. When I said, you've got to tell me why, you've demonetized me, that's taken away all the income for that month, and so therefore I really need to know. But they couldn't. I've just spent 40 minutes writing them now, completely pointless. And this is their system, this is what they have to do. Now the person I've just written to, the supervisor, claimed that what happened was that their policies had changed. Well, it's not true. The advertising haven't changed. I actually checked that before I even went onto the computer to speak to them. And not only that, she was telling me that they can change them afterwards if they want, so it's pointless putting things up, which is completely the opposite of what YouTube is saying. Now for those who wanted to see the video, I will upload it again sometime. But for the moment, as long as I'm going to get messed around by YouTube in this manner, zero tolerance. There's no messing me around or anything like that. Bang, I'll just the video comes off, and I might put it up again, or it might go up some other way. The problem with this is that for people in my position who may depend upon the income. Now, the income which is used doesn't even cover the costs that I have in making videos. I mean, just to go to a place like this to do research at an archive or something like that, I can't go into a fuel station and saying, well, look, I've been demonetized on YouTube. Can you give me some free diesel, please? It doesn't work that way. And so this is the problem. I'm putting up material on YouTube which is free for the viewer, and I hope it does stay that way, but it is paid by advertising revenues. And that is the model which YouTube is actually presenting. Now, I do appreciate the fact also that there are people who abuse the system. There's people who don't obey by the rules which YouTube has put in place. For example, at the moment there is this thing against ad blockers, and there is clearly an ad blocker a virus or whatever it is, ad blocker mistake that YouTube's is talking about. I couldn't access my own because it said I was using an ad blocker, even though the ad blocker on my system does not apply to YouTube or various other sites which depend upon advertising. I do appreciate these. I do appreciate the problem, but YouTube has got to stick to its own rules. And this is the whole thing. What I'm arguing for is just that YouTube sticks to its own rules. I understand that if something is not advertiser friendly, for example, in videos which I put up, which showing things where people are actually about to be killed, I have not. I've demonetized them myself, or things of that nature, which are particularly horrific, relating to the Holocaust. They are not monetized, but in situations like this, then YouTube must understand that it cannot mess people around in this manner, or particularly when I've taken all the caution necessary. So thanks for watching. I'm sorry for those people who did want to see the video relating to the deportation of Jewish people from Berlin from 1941 to 1945. So that is the reason why I had to take the video down. However, there's various other videos now. I'm uploading one video every single day. I'll try and do this until the end of the year. Now, in my case, a large amount of these videos already were flagged. So it's to say that I have actually appealed against the flagging of them, so that this should not happen too often again. I'm not terribly certain why it happened in this case, actually, but maybe it wasn't flagged. I can't remember now. It was several months ago that I uploaded it. But anyway, my objective is to upload videos. So it 2000 hours, that's my time, or my usual time, because I'm usually in either Poland or in Germany. I'm in the United Kingdom at the moment, but I'm usually in Poland or Germany, and that will continue until the end of the year. Most of the videos I'm doing obviously are related to the Second World War, and there's a couple actually I will mention which I'm rather proud of. There's one on a nurse called Paulina Knisler, and she was somebody who actually participated in the T4 killings, but she not just the people that the Nazis didn't like, but she also killing soldiers on the Eastern Front. So there's a video on her. I'm also quite proud of a video I did on the Munich Gestapo during the Second World War, and the head of the Munich Gestapo, one Oskar Schäfer. Very little information about him. He's possibly known a little bit for what he did, the White Rose, the Sophie Scholl, the German resistance organization. Well, the person who interrogated Sophie was Robert Moore, and I've done a video on him, but his boss was Oskar Schäfer, and he was head of Einsatzkommando 9 in the Vitebsk region of Belarusia in 1941-42, and so I've done quite a very long one on him, and I'm quite proud of that one. Anyway, so that's the come. So I apologize for those of you who wanted to see that video this evening, but now you know the reason why I had to take it down. Thanks for watching.